早晨，而家係幾多點？7點50分。其實純粹係交代，跟住陣間揼埋呢啲，睇緊流星。我陣間就約咗9點同房東就視像，就俾佢睇下執晒所有嘢咁樣。所以我覺得而家有啲時候有啲想食早餐，所以而家落去食早餐。拜拜。我好掛住呢個鏡，去機場啦。哇，好多人！哎，你又出现我的 vlog 了，感觉怎么样
？OK。哇。
推他。Let's go。
去哪里？去哪里？
广东话。
你慢慢講清楚。Nicole is a。他很老，他21、20、22。20啊 ！Old lady。
Hey, you also 20 soon。
再见。
他想吃 lunch。
Yeah, faster go。拜拜。
啱啱海關都等咗一陣，跟住而家就已經入咗嚟啦，好開心，文件咩事都冇。其實我係有啲想飲 Starbucks， 但我發現 Starbucks 係喺出邊咯，所以我而家就揾緊有冇啲咩 coffee shop 可以飲，因為我想飲matcha latte。哇，同香港機場對比，呢度真係多好多人，同埋啱啱都見到，其實飛香港見到都好大排龍。其實諗住行多陣，但係因為我個背囊真係好重。
You're the only girl I can't function around you. I'm paranoid, the words are flying out of my mouth, out of my mouth. And you love how I play alone. Why you gain all your control? Baby, it's impossible to live it without you. I got no power. With your hands on me, with your hands on me. Never known a girl who could keep me around her. Let you go and suddenly another one found you. Some other clown. Yeah, you couldn't get me wrong. You even knew my favorite song. Had me for a minute, but it's been like an hour. I got no power. With your hands on me, with your hands on me. With your hands on me, with your hands on me. Tell me why you gotta take take it to the stars, yeah, you know my vibe. Don't need no one's directions. There's no wrong situation. I'll be right by your side.
而家準備去前往最尾嗰關，陰性就可以走，但係唔知要幾耐。
With your hands on me, with your hands on me, with your hands on me. Tell me why you gotta take so long? And tell me why you never hit my phone? 耶！又到1年1度嘅 room tour 啦，係啊，真係1年1度啦，又好似去翻新加坡隔離咁。呢度第二個衣櫃啦，我已經擺翻我嘅牛底褸啦。跟住廁所，其實廁所 not bad， 明明咁樣，其實都已經好好噶啦，唔差，好。就咁樣。跟住就有2張床啦，我都係是但瞓一邊噶啦。咁跟住有好多支水啦，一眼睇晒。 同埋有個係咪空氣清新機？然之後個鏡係咁樣。之後咧，呢個書台咧將會係我呢5日裏邊一路用嘅書台，就係因為我要做 internship 嗰份 assignment， 我5日後要交1份功課未做。就係咁啦，隔離生活正式開始啦，耶！我媽咪俾咗啲湯我，原來呢個都係咯，熱浪。 係熱浪各位，40支菜 ，Oh my god！ Yeah, let's go！ 食飯先，好肚餓，好肚餓。啊，鳳爪排骨飯係嘛？係咩？夏枯草。佢買咗支夏枯草俾我係咁樣。第一日飲呢個。 好耐冇飲真正嘅港式奶茶，開飯。重點係今日我媽咪喺屋企嗰度食蟹，蟹肉黐線嘅。Not bad。Hello。媽咪嘅湯1年半冇飲過。
Few moments later，
各位，呢支係用我30分鐘開嘅一支水。 即係你睇翻我新加坡隔離嘅片，我係唔飲水。但係當我好想飲嘅時候咧，我天都唔幫我，叫我開咗呢個開咗30分鐘。跟住俾大家睇我隻手，好痛啊！好笑啊！我拍到。 Q。尷尬。
Must cut this in 啊。
我会
Yes, no, must cut it in, bro. This is funny.
我会 cut，我会剪。